पैसे ले जा. Good afternoon, students, and welcome in your computer class. So, how are you all? I wish you all are very good, very fine. So, let's begin the class. So, today we are going to start our chapter 1 for your new session, and your chapter 1 is more peripherals. So, as you see the word peripherals, the first question that what is peripherals and what we are going to study. So, as in your previous classes you have studied parts of computer, right? So, peripherals are also the parts of computer, but we add peripherals word as they are the additional devices that enhance the working of computer. Like till the time we have studied four main parts of computer. Everybody knows those four main parts: keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU. If these four main parts are assembled, then we will call that system a PC, right? But that PC is quite sufficient to do the work. But if we want that our PC should work some additional task, then we need to add some more devices. Like if we want to take the printouts as output, then we need to add printer. So printer will enhance the capability of computer as it is able to print. Then if we are having some images on a paper and then we want to transfer that image into the computer, possible? So for that what we need scanner. Then we put our image on that scanner, then scanner will transfer that image into the computer. So now your computer is able to transfer text or image into digital form. Clear? Now in the same way, you want to record your voice, then microphone. You want to listen to music, then speaker. You want to have a video chat, then you need a webcam, right? So these additional device that we add in computer to enhance the capability, they are called peripheral. So these all the devices that I said, printer, scanner, microphone, speaker, etc., these all are the peripherals, right? But these peripheral are very common, and these all we have studied in our earlier classes. So in this class we are going to see some special peripherals. So in that, the first one we are going to see is biometric devices, right? What is the use of this biometric device? This biometric device refers to the identity verification of living person. Got it? ये बायोमेट्रिक जो डिवाइस है वो किस लिए यूज़ होती है? फॉर द आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ अ लिविंग पर्सन by using their physical characteristic. Physical means like their eye lenses, like their face, their feet, their fingerprints, their palms, like those things. So these are the physical characteristic of a person that are identified and then verified by these devices. So for the verification of a particular person or a living person, biometric device is used. Got it? Like in your school also you have seen that when teachers are coming, they put their attendance by this biometric device. So this in our school, biometric device is used for both kind of identification. It is able to identify for face and it is also for the fingerprints. Got it? So this is called biometric device. So biometric device clear हो गई? It is a simple device that identify, that take the picture. Already the person's characteristics is already stored. It match with it. If the data is matched, then the identification is done. Got it? The function of biometric device. Now the second one is optical mark reader. Now just look at this sheet. Did you remember anything by looking this sheet? Yes, this is your OMR sheet, and many of you have already appeared in Olympiad exam, aren't you? Yes, you are. तो in this Olympiad test आपको कौन सी शीट दी जाती है आंसर शीट फिल करने के लिए? OMR शीट. तो इस OMR शीट में क्या होता है कि जो नंबर्स होते हैं, क्वेश्चन नंबर्स होते हैं, उनके सामने ऑप्शंस होते हैं, और इन ऑप्शंस में से आपको पर्टिकुलर बॉक्स पर एज अ आंसर बॉल पेन से या डार्क पेंसिल से सर्कल करना होता है ना. आपके टीचर्स आपको बोलते हैं दैट यूज़ बॉल पेन और अ डार्क पेन टू फिल दिस बॉक्स प्रॉपरली. ये बॉक्स प्रॉपरली होता है तब ये OMR मशीन जो होती है दैट कैन रीड इट. सो दीज OMR शीट्स आर डिजाइंड टू रीड द स्पेशल कैरेक्टर्स or the presence or absence of the mark so that it can identify the answers, right? So here is your OMR machine. This is your OMR machine and this is the sheet that it can read. OMR detects the presence or absence of a mark in a specific position. Generally, marks are made in specific box using a pencil, ballpoint pen, etc. Like what happens, like आपने एक अपनी OMR शीट को इस पर पेस्ट कर दिया, then the lid has been closed. तब क्या होता है, इसमें से ऑप्टिकल रेज जो होती हैं that showers on the paper. जो ऑप्टिकल रेज होती हैं, इट्स सिमिलरली लाइक आपने जेरोक्स मशीन देखी है, उसमें एक जो लेज़र लाइट होती है वो पासेस थ्रू होती है पेपर से. तो बिल्कुल इसमें भी इसी तरह जो ऑप्टिकल रेज होती हैं वो इस पर शावर होती हैं, और वो OMR जब ऑप्टिकल रेज जब इसको क्रॉस करती हैं तो जिन प्लेसेस पर, एग्जैक्ट प्लेसेस पर जो कि उसमें OMR शीट में या CPU में ऑलरेडी आंसर्स स्टोर्ड हैं, उससे उनको मैच करती हैं. लाइक जब वो रेज क्रॉस हुई तो पर्टिकुलर प्लेस पर जहाँ पर भी ये मार्क प्रेजेंस था, उस मार्क से क्या होगा, वो ऑप्टिकल रेज पासेस थ्रू नहीं होगी और वो कहाँ ट्रांसफ़र हो जाएगी, प्रोसेसर में. तो इस तरह ये रीडिंग प्रोसेस होती है. तो दैट इज़ हाउ दिस ऑप्टिकल मार्क रीडर वर्क्स. क्लियर? तो ऑप्टिकल मार्क रीडर जो होते हैं ये मार्क को रीड करने के लिए होते हैं. तो दैट्स वाई इट्स नेम इज़ ऑप्टिकल मार्क रीडर. ऑप्टिकल रेज जो पास थ्रू होती हैं, सी थ्रू अ लाइट बीम, जो लाइट बीम होती है वो डॉक्यूमेंट पर पड़ती है, फिर जहाँ पर ये मार्क होता है उस पोजीशन से वो रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं होती, एंड देन इट reverse to the CPU, and by reflecting this light they are able to read and identify whether your answer is correct or incorrect, and according to that your answer sheets are going marked. Got it? So that is your optical mark reader. Then the next one is magnetic ink character reader, means MICR. अब ये जो MICR machine है, this is used to read some particular font or standard font that are written in a kind of ink that contains iron oxide. तो अब आपने चेक्स देखे होंगे, जब आपके पेरेंट्स फ़ी पे करते हैं तो हमारे यहाँ फ़ी पे करने के लिए हम चेक्स का यूज़ करते हैं. तो उन चेक्स में क्या होता है, जो बॉटम साइड में जो कैरेक्टर्स लिखे होते हैं, ओके, आई एम शोइंग यू दैट कैरेक्टर्स, just observe this. So here it is. In check you must have observed these kind of characters written. So these are the special font or design characters which are written by using iron oxide ink. जो स्पेशल इंक होती है मैग्नेटिक इंक, इसमें आयरन ऑक्साइड होता है और उस इंक का यूज़ करके चेक्स पर ये नंबर्स प्रिंट किए जाते हैं. एंड these fonts are the identification of the check, and these numbers can be read by that MICR, means magnetic ink character reader machine. Okay, so this is the another device, MICR, magnetic ink character reader. So here is the define. The MICR machine reads the special characters right? Like these special characters. Printed like on a check. कहाँ printed होते हैं? Most of the time checks पर, in a standard font using an ink containing iron oxide. Got it? So that is your MICR. Now the next one is magnetic strip card reader. So you must have seen the debit or credit card, right? This magnetic strip card reader. Nowadays these magnetic strip card readers are not all so much popular. Now smart cards are there which are having both this magnetic strip and along with it that chip, that storage chip. So those are called smart cards. So magnetic strip card reader or the smart cards, both are the cards. This is smart card. In smart card you must have seen on the back side they will have magnetic strip, and here is like a SIM kind of chip that is yellow and reflected like a metal. So this chip, so these are called smart card or magnetic strip card. तो इन स्ट्रिप कार्ड्स में और चिप्स में क्या होता है, द डेटा इज परमानेंटली स्टोर्ड ओवर देयर इन दैट मैग्नेटिक स्ट्रिप, लाइक your name, signature, other details, and that can be updated. So these are used for designing your credit cards, debit cards, and these card can be read by the ATM machines. तो जो ATM machines हैं आपने देखा होगा, they read this magnetic strip और these smart cards. इनके रीडर्स जो होते हैं आपने शॉप्स में these machines you must have observed. एक तो आपने ATM में देखा है, दूसरा आपने मॉल्स में देखा होगा. मॉल में जब बिल पे करते हैं तो देयर आर टू काइंड्स ऑफ मशीन. एक होती है स्वैप मशीन जिसमें मैग्नेटिक स्ट्रिप साइड से कार्ड को स्वैप किया जाता है एंड फ्रॉम देयर देन योर पेमेंट इज मेड. एंड सम आर हैविंग दैट स्मार्ट कार्ड रीडर मशीन. इन दैट द कार्ड इज इंसर्टेड inside it, half card is inserted and that card is inserted from the side of where the chip is there. So from that, like that your payment is made, right? So these machines are called magnetic strip card reader or smart card reader that you have seen in malls. Okay, then the next one, now RFID, LCD and voice recognition system. These are the left. These devices we will see in the next class. So that's all for the day. Your task is to read the chapter, read all the defines of the machines or the peripherals that we have seen. So complete your work, read the chapter properly, learn those defines, and then we will meet tomorrow. So thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.